units, officer...
Alleyway between Bryant and Crab. You know it?
Do I look all right to you?
You look like you need sleep. Snap out of it. Officer Dan.
Yeah. Turn that damn radio off! Please.
Ryan. I'm gonna throw this thing out the window, I swear!
John?
Yeah, what happened to our call sign?
Everything's gonna be all right. You're gonna make it.
Yeah. We'll be there in about 30 seconds.
Where's this guy going in a hurry?
It's Jericho. Going after him.
You sure, John? We got the other call.
Forget the other call. We're going after Jericho. What the hell? Jones? Where did everybody go? What's happened? What's happened to the city? What the hell is going on here? Have I finally lost it? Just keep going, John. Keep going. Okay, I get it. Damned late-night paperwork. I'm gonna wake up with my face stuck to the desk. Again. Okay, now I'm getting somewhere. Assuming there's a way out of this. Man, this is starting to freak me out. Come on, John, hold it together. You can get out of this. Enough's enough. Too many of them! Too exposed! I gotta head deeper into the city. Let the streets work for me. Today, me and the car. Catching some serious flack here. You're getting sloppy, John. No!
Where'd he go?
I'd been here before.
Hey, what the hell are you talking about? Come on, stay with me, John. Whoa, he's behind us! Oh, man, drive! Ah!
God, I know this. This is what happened. I gotta change this somehow. I gotta. Jones, I'm sorry.
What?
Give up, Tanner. Just relax.
Enough messing around. You want to fight, Jericho? You've got it.
If you're dead, you won't have to fight me.
Screw you, Jericho! I'm not giving in! I'm never giving in! I'm coming for you, Jericho. You hear me?
Bad move, Tanner. It's yours. Hope you're having fun, Tanner. You're gonna be here a long time.
Get out of the car, Jericho. Get out of my head. Ignore it. Keep going. For Christ's sake! Wait.
We're losing him. I need a crash cart in here stat.
Keep fighting, John. Keep fighting.
Hello, Tanner.
You shouldn't be here. This is my head.
There's always rules with you. Can't do this, can't do that.
I know what's happening. I know this is some kind of dream.
You know, it's not a dream, Tanner. It's a coma. You're dying.
Let me get this straight. I've been living out the TV news in my head? Come back here, goddammit! Holy mother of... Damn it, how did he do that? Come on, concentrate! Concentrate! Oh, crap! Oh, get out of the way! How is he doing that? Oh, right. It's all in my head. Come on, come on! Next coma, I want a yacht. I want deep-sea fishing and a goddamn yacht. Ah, son of a bitch! No, next coma, I'm having cocktails. On the beach, on my own private goddamn island. So nothing. Focus, focus! I enjoy it now, Jericho, because in the real world, I'm gonna break you! stop me, Jericho! Nothing! I didn't stop any of Jericho's crimes. Not in the real world. But I do know this. Jericho's poison gas bomb doesn't make any sense. Come on, old girl. I know you're not built to take this kind of punishment, but you and me, we got history. Too many hits! We're taking too many hits! Where did he go? Is that it? Do I win? Where are you, Jericho? Man, I'm gonna stop talking to myself.
Miss me?
Hang on a second. The highway in my head. Cars in my head. Jericho in my head. Okay, new rules. I'm throwing some goddamn cars too. The rules have changed, Jericho. I don't think there's a therapist in the West Coast qualified to straighten this out.
Looks like you're starting to fall, Tanner. I can hope.
Throwing your toys around again, Jericho? Bullseye! Gotcha! Hey-o! Ah, you're going down, pal! I'm taking you apart, piece by piece! I did... Eat metal, you lousy son of a bitch!
It's all in your head, Tanner.
I'm gonna kill you here, Jericho, and then I'm gonna wake up, track you down. I can't punch my... I beat him. Now to beat death. Okay, John, wake up. Wake up, John, it's time!
Law enforcement officials are still trying to determine.
Okay, John, this plan isn't getting any smarter.
Law enforcement officials have once again repeated their call for all those remaining in the downtown area to evacuate immediately by any available means. Details are scarce at this stage. What is known is that a potentially massive chemical weapon, I am quoting police sources here, could detonate in the city. Police officials have confirmed that a warning has been issued by escaped criminal Charles Jericho, but as of yet, he has made no demands. We are just receiving word that police bomb disposal teams are being withdrawn. We're being told to evacuate. It's going to happen. I can see a huge cloud of gas. It's taller than the buildings, moving fast. We gotta move. A huge wall of gas coming down the street. Run!
Static. Radio's dead. Why would poison gas block radio? Okay, still alive. It's not cyanide gas. It's a goddamn smokescreen. But why? Careful, John. Downtown? What the hell does Jericho want downtown? Convicts. It's a prison break. He's at the goddamn prison.
Gotcha, you son of a bitch!
Oh, you can run, asshole!
Jack! Jack, come in. You're right about the box. It was a cover for a prison break. Backup is en route. What's your position? Jack!
Old news, partner. I'm in pursuit. Selma, heading south. Jones! Jones? You feel that? Give it up, Jericho! Whoa! Hell? Focus, John. Focus. Whoa! Come on, come on! No, you do not get away! I did not wake up just to let him escape! No, no, no! Oh, you can run, asshole!
Jack! Jack, come in. You're right about the box. It was a cover for a prison break. Backup is en route. What's your position? Jack!
Old news, partner. I'm in pursuit. Selma, heading south. Jones! Jones? Man, I'm all over the place. Hurts, don't it? Take the hit, Jericho. Give up. It's good to be back. Oof.